Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. Today we are going to discuss the concept of Gini coefficient and what it is and what is the relevance of the very same when it comes to our real life situation. Let's consider. Moving to the concept of Gini coefficient, it is considered to be a statistical measure to look at the concept of inequality. And the concept is developed by an Italian statistician, Corrado Gini. And this has been developed in the year 1912. This is Corrado Gini, who has developed the concept of Gini coefficient, which is a statistical measure of inequality. And how does it measure inequality? Moving to that, we can see that a Gini coefficient would be describing the way in which equal or unequal income or wealth is distributed among the population. So it would be connecting two aspects, income and population. It would see the way in which income distribution and population distribution is related in a nation. So let's consider more about Gini coefficient. The graphical representation can be considered by going for a Lorentz curve. This is because a Lorentz curve is something that can be used to calculate Gini coefficient. And what you see here is called the Lorentz curve. And in the Lorentz curve, the cumulative share of people from the lowest to highest income would be considered along the x-axis, and on the y-axis you will be considering the cumulative share of income earned. This is income earned and this would be the population. Okay. By going for that, we could have two areas. Actually, this Lorentz curve would appear like a triangle, but inside this triangle you have a curve which would be the actual Lorentz curve. Okay, and here you can have two important divisions of this particular figure, and this would be the line of equality. This line is line of equality. Okay, and the curve that you can see inside this triangle would be the Lorentz curve. And you can make a division of this particular figure into two, A part and B part. The purple color will indicate A part and the blue color will indicate B part. How to calculate Gini coefficient is you have to consider A part and B part. So A part divided by A plus B. This will show you the Gini coefficient. Okay, and if this particular curve, if the Lorentz curve is closer towards the line of equality, what happens is that this will be making the region A smaller. The closer the Lorentz curve to line of equality, A region will be smaller. Okay, so let's consider more about it. What about if you have a high inequality situation? If inequality is high, what happens is that A will be a bigger area. So A can be something like, it would come from here to here or something. So it will be something, if inequality is high, the Lorentz curve would be far away from line of equality. Line of equality would be a 45-degree line. This 45-degree line is something that we are using for comparison. Okay. Now let's consider the value of A by A plus B, which is the exact Gini coefficient value. This is a value that would range between 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. Okay. 0 would be representing 0 and 1. The 0 would be representing perfect equality. That means it will be something similar to a line of equality. The Lorentz curve would be similar to a line of equality. Okay, so that shows Gini coefficient value 0 means perfect equality. And what about 1? 1 is a value that would indicate perfect inequality. Okay, so this is a situation. Let's consider a little more about this. And what will happen if there is a rise in inequality situation? I told you that whenever inequality situation rises, the Gini coefficient will be something that too will be showing the very same. The Lorentz curve will be away from the line of equality and the region A will be bigger, isn't it? So this particular measure is being used by various countries to consider their inequality situation. And that's all about today. Thank you for watching, and you can join free our Telegram community for doubt clearance and discussion. I would be providing the link of the very same in the description box, and also you can download our app for study materials as well as PYQs. Here also I will be providing the link in the description box, and I request you to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. That's all about today. Thank you for watching.